Hello friends, so today I will make a jewelry stand or jewelry organizer, bangle stand or bangle organizer. So let's get started. For this I have taken this sweet box top cover. So after this, when I have this, I will just cover it up with this metal sheet of paper which is self-adhesive. So I've already cut to the required size, so I will just pull it from anywhere that I think it will come out very easily. So it's coming from here, coming out from here. So I will just take out this metal sheet and I will just stick it and just take it like this. And stretch it nicely and paste it nicely. So now it's done from all the sides properly. Just press it so that it will stick evenly. So it's ready, and I have this and this part with me. So I will just cover it up now, the next two parts. So for this thing I need to cover this part. So I will just take out this, which I have already measured to its size, and I will just stick it here like this. And for here also I have already cut to its size. I will just open it and I will just stick it like this, open and stick. With this part also I'll do the same thing, and it will come up like this. And it's done. So to cover them now, I am taking the same colored metal sheet and I will just take this out. And let's stick it. So pasting it nicely, stretching it, and I will just roll it like this and it will just stick. So it's easy and very convenient to use and paste and use for craft work, the self-adhesive metal sheets. So it's done. So next is this one. Just open it and just put it like this on top of it. Open it and just roll it up like this. and it's all done. We'll put any extra part inside, it's fine. So these tools are ready. So I will use this also, and another ones. These are the bigger ones that I will use. This is the bigger one and 2. So this I will also use, and I will also just paste this like this one. So now this and this is also ready with me, with full cover here. So I will just now start. What I want to do now is by gluing it all together. So first I will take this and I will just put glue over here, and I will just stick it like this. You can do it like this here to look very good in front. So I will just press it like this so the glue will settle, and then taking another one, just put glue over here also, and I will just put it like this too, leaving some space here. So I will just align it properly. So glue over here also, and it's done. Now taking these two, one of this is a little bit small and one of this is big. A little bit gap is here, so not a problem. So taking a smaller one, so I will just stick it. So there's a little bit gap over here. One is little bit small and one is little bit long. So taking the smaller one, I will stick the smaller one over here and the larger one over here on this. So I will show you. I will just put glue over here now on top of this. It's moving because the glue has not settled or dried over here. That's why. Once it's dried, it's not a problem then it will work very fine. So I will just make sure that it's in a proper way, and I will just stick it. So I can show you like this. So I have sticked it like this. So taking the longer one now, I will just put glue over here. And I will take this, the longer one now, and I will just stick it like this. And also once the glue has dried, so it will not be a problem. So it will be a strong one. So now this is the final look of my bangle stand or bangle organizer, and